Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel keep going. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 114. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here and a 4 here, so this is our 3. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we've got 1. We're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're only missing a 1. For this top row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 has to be here. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 9, and no help here. 2, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 9, and no help here. 3, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 9, 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 9, 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. And to finish off this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.